Hello, love Dubai! Guys, alam niyo today was one of those days na excited ako. Kahit na sobrang early, like nag-alarm kami ng 5 a.m. Grabe ang hirap pumangon. Pero I knew Dubai Run is finally here. And we didn't want to miss a single moment. Habang nag-aayos, I kept thinking about how we even got here. Honestly, it wasn't easy. We waited one whole year before this dream finally came true. My husband went through so many challenges along the way. There were times na parang walang pag-asa, moments when we felt maybe this will never happen. Pero alam niyo ba kung ano yung nakaka-amaze? God didn't let the process take too long. Every delay, every struggle had a reason, and everything happened at the perfect timing. While walking, we couldn't help but feel so grateful for this moment. Kahit pagod, kahit antok, every step reminds me of how it all worth the waiting was. Life sometimes feel like an uphill, hirap, nakakapagod, but when you finally reach the moment you've been waiting for, it's like crossing the finish line with confetti and fear of joy. And as we start running, the excitement is real. Before the date November 23, nakakuha na kami ng free t-shirt, free registration, water provided by My Dubai, comfort room, napakalinis at provided yung tissue at mga sabon. And the view, grabe, ito yung the best talaga. Like, second time na namin nag-join sa Dubai Run, pero hindi pa rin ako makaget over sa view. May mga parachute pa flying with flags. It's like a celebration in the sky. Parang God is showing us, I'm with you sa bawat steps. Habang tumatakbo tayo ngayon, I feel very blessed. Bawat pawis, bawat pagod, bawat hininga reminder yan ng faith, perseverance, at ng journey na pinagdadaanan natin. Kung may hinihintay kayo sa life nyo, remember, God's timing is perfect. Kahit matagal, may challenges, lahat may paghihintay, worth it pala. So today, as we walk, jog, or run, let's enjoy every moment, celebrate every step, every blessing, every love, every cheer from the crowd. Life is a journey, and sometimes you need to wake up at 5 a.m., face the challenge, sweat a little para ramdam mo talaga yung joy at victory in the end. And finally, let's remember, God's faithfulness never fails. Every struggle, delay, and hard step, it's part of the journey He has planned for us. So today, while running and enjoying Dubai Run, let's celebrate life, faith, and all the blessing along the way. And all the way to our Jollibee. Ayun, finish line namin.